Work-life balance is surprisingly simple. Here's why. No time management needed. Raise your hand if you've ever canceled plans with friends to catch up on life, only to spend 3 hours doom scrolling and feeling guilty. Yeah, me too. But here's the wild part. 76% of people say they're too exhausted to enjoy their lives, even when they technically have free time. What if I told you balance isn't about doing less? It's about recharging smarter. And no, you don't need another planner. Let's get real. Work-life balance sounds like a prank your brain plays at 2 a.m. when you're half asleep and half emailing. But here's the secret they don't tell you. Balance isn't about time. It's about energy. Think about it. You could have 8 free hours and still feel drained after binge-watching Netflix. Why? Because time doesn't refuel you. Energy does. Today, I'm sharing 3 stupidly simple fixes to stop surviving and start thriving. No time management, no guilt trips. Just science-backed hacks that actually stick. Step 1. Energy audits. First, become a detective for your own energy. For 1 week, track not what you do, but how you feel. Did scrolling Instagram leave you energized or empty? Did that meeting with Debbie from accounting drain you more than leg day? Your phone tracks battery life, why don't you? Write down 3 things that refuel you. Examples are walks, cooking, really bad karaoke, and 3 that drain you. Examples are group texts, passive-aggressive emails. Now, here's the magic. Protect your refuel list like it's your Wi-Fi password. Delete 1 drain this week. Yes, even Debbie. Step 2. The hell yeah or no rule. Next, say no like your sanity depends on it, because it does. Every time you're invited to a party, a project, or a PTA meeting, ask, is this a hell yes? If not, it's a no. And guess what? You don't owe anyone a 5-paragraph essay explaining why. They won't even notice. Try this script. I'm maxed out right now, but I'll cheer you on from afar. Works for everything. Your cousin's pyramid scheme pitch included. Step 3. Micro-restoration. Finally, steal joy in 5-minute bursts. You don't need a spa day, you need a micro-win playlist. Dance to 1 song while brushing your teeth. Read a poem while coffee brews. Text a friend a meme mid-workday. These tiny hits of joy act like energy compound interest. Think of it as charging your brain's USB port while life keeps running. Pro tip: pair a dreaded task with a micro-win. Like blasting Disney songs while folding laundry. Suddenly, adulting feels 23% less tragic. So, let's recap. 1. Audit your energy. Track the feels, not the clock. 2. Hell, yes or no. Protect your peace like a VIP bouncer. 3. Micro-restoration. Joy is a habit, not a luxury. Burnout isn't mandatory. It's a glitch we can fix. If this hit home, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you're ready to quit the hustle cult. Subscribe for weekly upgrades to your human OS. Next up, how to silence your inner overachiever without becoming a couch potato. Spoiler, it involves actual potatoes. Until then, stop balancing, start living. You got this!